Hi, I'm Azuz. This week's report concerns a landmark whose name translated means Our Lady, but it's probably a little better known as Notre Dame. Not to be confused with the American University in Indiana, that's pronounced Notre Dame anyway. The French Cathedral of Notre Dame predates the United States by centuries. But during which century did construction begin on Notre Dame? 1st, 6th, 8th, or 12th century? The first stones of the renowned cathedral were laid in the 1160s. So why is it in the news now? French authorities have just announced that they're on track to reopen the cathedral by the end of next year. It's been closed since 2019 when a massive fire tore through the roof of the Gothic building. That occurred on April 15th during Holy Week between Palm Sunday and Easter. In the days after the blaze, French officials said it was likely accidental, but though the investigation lasted years, a definitive cause hasn't been announced. Initial construction on the medieval building lasted almost 200 years. It has been modified, enhanced, and restored since the 1300s, and it was during a renovation that the fire occurred. The church's spire, which was built in the 19th century, was destroyed along with part of the ceiling, but many of its historic attributes were spared by the flames, and several artifacts were saved, including a crown of thorns. Many believe it is the very crown of thorns that was placed on the head of Jesus Christ. Our Lady is set to open its doors once again to tourists and worshippers next December, and builders are reconstructing the stone vault, the spire, and the roof just as they were before the fire. Reporting for Sonlight, I'm Azuz.